What's up, guys? How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right? For everybody else, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Now, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Peruse around and check us out. All right. Now, we're back today because we want to talk about our #1 interactive digital marketing program on how you can earn $900 commissions with this blueprint. All right. Now, so let's do that. Let's talk about it. All right, now to get started with this program or to even just check it out, all right, if you want to check it out, the link is in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com, or you can just go to that website I just gave you, coffeeandcoins.info. All right, I got started in this program when it initially launched back in March of 2024. And the reason I got started, I was already a digital marketer, an affiliate marketer. But what I liked about the program is for all my newbies, okay, for anybody that was new or non-technical folks that may have signed up with me, this is what I was thinking when this thing was launched. Well, who would this help, right? Because I was already an experienced marketer myself. But for my folks that weren't, this would be perfect. Because #1, we've got a great community of like-minded individuals and a thriving community, I may add. Because there's a lot of programs out here that have groups, right? But there's no engagement. No one wants to help you out, that type of thing. So with this one, they already had a thriving community that actually will help you. So you've got support. And then what I liked about it is the owner of the company was going to be given daily videos and daily guidance. All right, so folks, all you have to do is press play, watch your daily video, all right, to get inspiration. And then the program comes with step-by-step, a proven step-by-step system, a done-for-you system. The marketing system was free. There's no monthly fees. The autoresponder was already included. And you get all this support, all right, at no extra cost, even if you got started with one of the lower ticket programs. So I knew this would be perfect for the folks that would get started with me, all right? So I got started and I've been promoting it ever since. So let's go over this, the Legacy Builder program. This is one of the main things. I like that it offers real coaching and mentoring, live training at no extra cost. Because there's a lot of programs out here, they charge you. You have to get these high ticket $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 programs to be able to get this type of training and coaching that you're getting here at no extra cost. Weekly tech calls for folks that may run into a technical issue when you're setting up your system. Okay, now you have a step-by-step guidance, video guidance to show you how to set it up. But let's say you got stuck, right? Over here, there's weekly tech calls where you can actually share your screen with the tech team and they will assist you, okay? So that was totally different than what I've experienced in my digital marketing career. We've got over 56,000 members now in this program. Okay, so that is amazing, right? That's a super milestone because again, the program has only been out since March of last year. When I got started just in the community before the program launched, it was only like 5,000 folks in the community, and now you're at 56K. Okay, that speaks volumes. All right, so the Legacy Builder program, we're talking about the $900 program because you want to know how you can make $900 with the program. That program is called the Legacy Builder program. We're at the 2.0 version now. All right, and it's just not another course just thrown into your dashboard where you just log in and you follow some videos and you're alone. Okay, no one to help, no one to guide you. Okay, over here you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. So with this particular program, the $900 program, you get live interactive training, real-time coaching, real-time guidance. All right. And they've switched the schedule up now with this particular training. When you join this program, every Monday, you will have live training. Okay. Where you can interact with some of your team members, right? In breakout groups. All right. Now, this program comes with an automated online system, as I explained earlier, a done-for-you system that's not going to cost you any monthly fees. You're only going to pay one time, no monthly fees. Your website is going to be $39. We all pay $39. Doesn't matter which program you get, you're just going to pay $39. So to get this program, it's only $939. As I said, I've been in lots of affiliate programs over my tenure here, and I got started as an affiliate marketer around 2012-ish, and I've seen tons. I've been in tons and never seen a program where the owner, again, is in this program day in and day out, okay, helping folks, okay? So it's perfect for beginners. Absolutely perfect. You're going to earn instant commissions. There's no delays. There's no middleman. You don't have to wait on weekly payouts. You're going to be paid instantly. And with this program also, you're going to get a 2-hour workday routine, okay, that explains, well, what should I be doing every day? All right. You'll be able to do your tasks within a 2-hour time frame. So $900 program, Legacy Builder Program 2.0. So I'm going to take you over here to our calendar that we have with the digital growth community. You're going to get access to the school community, SKOOL, right? So as you can see on the calendar, I'm showing you here. Look, Monday the 1st, it was at 12 o'clock. This is the Legacy Builder Program training. See, every Monday it's going to be on Monday. Now this particular Monday just passed, it was at 2 o'clock. But you can see it's going to be every Monday. It's been changed. It was Mentoring Monday. All right. So that's what we've got here. And then you take a look here. You see our Tech Tuesdays. See, Tech Tuesdays, Tech Tuesdays. All right. And then Thursdays, what they're doing is they're rotating the topics, different topics. Like there was systems welcoming new people, okay, on this particular Thursday. Then the next Thursday it was just Q&A and help answering questions. Then this Thursday, right, is mindset. Okay, and then next week is Facebook training. Okay, so they're going to be rotating those out. All right, so you know what you're getting here. Okay, these are the things that separate this program, guys, from some of the other programs out there. Yes, I've been involved with some other ones, and yes, I still have some other programs that I'm a part of. But if you're looking for that hands-on, more interaction, okay, this would be the one I recommend for you. If you're a seasoned person, you don't necessarily need hand-holding, right? But it's still great for you as well because there's a lot of gems that I've taken out of here, and I've been able to kind of put my spin on them, right? So it's for everybody, but perfect for my newbies and my non-tech people, okay? If that makes sense. So how to make $900 using social media, right? With this particular program, you'll get access to the dashboard. In your programs, you're going to hit, on your products rather, you're going to click on View All Products. I am a Legacy Builder Program member. As I stated earlier, I have the $900 program right here, Marketing and Social Media. So you're going to learn, right, social media marketing, how to use these platforms to promote the opportunity to attract folks and put your information out here, all right? Because we don't have to bug friends and family. We don't have to DM people. I don't have to chase people down and try to convince them and twist their arm to sign up, right? We learn how to market, right? And that's what you're going to learn here. So all this is included as well, okay? And you just pick one platform, guys. I wouldn't don't overwhelm yourself. Just pick one that you're comfortable with. Start with that one. Run with that for a while, maybe 90 days or so, or till you get results, okay? Then maybe add on an additional platform. But just pick one, starting out, whatever you're most comfortable with, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. They also have Pinterest in here as well, okay? Now, in order to get access to that weekly training, it's not going to be in the community. The link is not going to be in the community anywhere like that. You're going to have to log in and get access to the product you purchased with this, which is the Legacy Builder program, right? You're going to come here. See, it says get started here, but the next tab is the live training details. So you're going to click there, and it's going to give you the link for the Zoom for your Tuesday training, okay? That's what you're going to do every week. So you actually have to be a Legacy Builder program member where you've purchased the $900 program to get access to this link, okay? And then they will do the replay. They'll put the replay in here as well if you missed it, okay? Now, you may say, well, how do I know this is really working for people as you're saying? Well, that's a good question. So we're over here in the community, right? As you can see right here, I'm in the community. And this is real people. This is not some old 5- and 6-year-old post that people have made. If you look here, this is 22 hours ago. Okay, well, this person says, hey, another $900 rolled in. Okay, so congratulations to John. Check this out. Here's someone that says, hey, someone upgrading to the $900 program. Upgrading to the $900 program in this 90-day run. So this person is upgrading herself, all right, because she wants to be a part of that training that you get every Monday. Okay, so let's keep looking. So let me just show you. So in other words, yeah, are people signing up? They sure are. Look at this one. Shout out to Shirley, $900 ding on the first day of the 90-day run. We're in a 90-day run that just started recently, Monday? So she's saying, hey, I got my first $900 sale on the first day, okay, of the run. It says another life is changed, and I got 88 leads in one day, okay, following the program, the blueprint. All right, let's look a little further down here. We're talking about the $900 program. All right, and you'll see a lot of wins. And wins doesn't always mean monetary. It could be, hey, I got some leads. Hey, my program, my TikTok has gotten a lot of followers. Like here, look, 177 subscribers on their YouTube. So they're following the steps to get that. But let's keep going here. This person says they made $900 hitting the snooze button. I set my alarm early this morning. I like to hit snooze a few times before actually getting up this morning, and then grab my phone again at 5:35 a.m. to turn off my alarm, and boom, a $900 sale was in there. So shout out to Candy. All right, guys. So these folks are following the blueprint in order for that to happen. Here's another one. $900 while out shopping. I have stopped for a couple of months promoting this. I was so busy at work. Look, for my folks that have a job and saying, I don't have time for this. This lady says I was so busy working in nursing that I missed my legacy family. I'm back, better than ever. No better way to start and receive a $900 payment. Okay, while out shopping. Okay, guys. One more I want to show you. We got tons of these. We could do this for hours, but I just want to show you some proof that it is working for people. Okay, not just me talking about it. Here's another one. Shout out to Sunshine. Boom, 900 came in. We were just watching AGT when my husband said, you got a sale, $900 came in. I screamed, jumped, and almost spilled my snacks. All right, so this absolutely works if you work it. Remember, this is not just passive where you just sign up and just do nothing. You actually have to implement the training that you're going to be learning here. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, guys, and or check out how this system actually works. Go ahead and enter your information in. I'm going to put the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com, right? Now, we do have other program levels as well. So if 900 is not where you can start today, we have 100, 300, or 600, all right? But I just want to bring to your attention about the $900 program, all right? Because with that one, you get all 4 programs, all right? And you can market this using free methods, which is social media, all right? So link is in the description. Just go there. You're going to come to my page like this. Let me show you. This is one of the pages that we have. We have a couple different capture pages, but this is one. So just come here, www.thecopypastemethod.com, enter your email, watch the video presentation, check it out, see how the system actually works, and go ahead and get started today. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.